Hello everyone! So for today's video, sasagutin natin yung tanong, ano ba daw yung sudden bookings? So yung sudden, syempre, biglaan, right? Mayroon kasing mga students na 10 minutes, 5 minutes before the time, they will book you. Of course, that is sudden bookings. Last minute na kasi na mga bookings. Malapit na yung time ng kanilang lesson, tsaka pa sila nagbo-book. Mayroon naman tayong other definition for sudden bookings. Yun pong minutes after the time, nagkakaroon ka pa rin ng bookings. For example, your class is 7 o'clock. So, you have to wait up to 7:10 or 7:11 minute kasi possibly na magkaroon ka pa rin ng last minute bookings or sudden bookings. Usually, itong nangyayari sa mga newbies. They open a lot of slots in the peak hours. Tapos, hindi sila nag-i-standby in front of their laptop. Syempre, that is an open slot. So, anytime, pwede po yung mapasukan ng estudyante. So, tinatawag natin yon na sudden bookings. So, dapat natin siyang bantayan dahil posibleng magka-estudyante kayo ng biglaan. Example, just like what happened today. I have a class supposedly at 7 o'clock pero nag-cancel yung student. So, naging vacant po yon, naging open slot. If ganon na nag-sudden cancel naman si student, hindi mo na yon mako-close kasi naka-gray na po yon sa shift management at saka sa ating mobile app. You cannot close that slot anymore. So, ang nangyari, of course, I have to stay standby para na mabantayan ko yung aking slot. Baka may biglang pumasok. And yun nga yung nangyari. At 7:07, biglang tumunog yung AC at mayroon akong student. Since in progress na yun agad, kasi maybe you are a sub-teacher, mayroong nag-absent na teacher, tapos bigla ang ikaw yung naging substitute teacher, dapat enter classroom ka agad. Tapos kahit hindi tayo prepared, pasok ka talaga sa AC. Kasi you will be tagged absent if you will not get inside AC. So yun yung tinatawag natin pa rin na sudden bookings. So sudden bookings can be before the time or after the time. Up to 11th minute of the open slot, dapat on standby ka. Always be reminded, mga newly launched teachers, mga newbies po dito sa platform, syempre excited tayo na magka-booking. So kaya marami talaga tayong slots na ino-open sa gabi, especially on the peak hours. So pakabantayan nyo talaga yung peak hours kasi posible talagang may pumasok sa ating mga open slots. So when we speak about open slots, the company or the system is assuming na talagang online po kayo. Posible kang maging substitute teacher, posibleng may mga sudden bookings from the students. Let us not be very confident na, wala naman nag-book. Wala lang sa inyo, hindi ka naka-online. Yun yung usually nangyayari sa mga newbies, nakaka-absent sila ng dahil sa sudden bookings. Okay, so let us always watch out for those sudden bookings. So I hope this video helps you teachers. And again, for those who want to be my referrals, just message me here in TikTok or message me in my messenger account or comment down below if you have some questions so that I can also assist you with your queries. That's all for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye!